What's up, guys? On today's video, we're going to be checking out a brand new baby car monitor from Luckview. My current vehicle has a Skynerk baby monitor. This one's from Amazon. It's highly rated. It has 24,000 reviews. It is a pretty good budget-friendly car monitor. I've had it for 8 months now, but I've seen some improvements that I wish it had. So I had the ability to test out the Luckview, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what this is all about. Now, a bit about the Skynerk. Again, it is a 4.3-inch monitor. The quality is not that great. As you guys can see, it does have night vision, so I'm actually going to leave this on and compare the two so you guys can see the difference. Some of the things I don't like about this one is that I don't like the way that it's angled. I know that it's vehicle specific, but I do have to wedge a little piece of rock right here so that I can get a better angle view of it. It does close up, so you can open it for easy storage, but again, I have to keep this on here. That's one of the things I don't like. It also doesn't have recording. So this Luckview does come with a recording feature. It comes with a built-in 16 gig memory card, 5.2 inches. So this is 4.3, this is 5.2, so it's much bigger. It's a 1080p image, so it's really, really clear. And it also has a night function mode so that you should be able to see much clearer at night as well. It has a 3x zoom function, so you can zoom up to 3 times without losing distortion or quality, and it doesn't distort. It also has a very wide angle view, so I'm going to see how this compares to it, if I'm going to be able to capture a wider view of the back seat. Super easy installation, so you can install this right to your back seat or your front seat, so you can actually adjust it for your baby when the baby grows up for a front sitting car seat. Another feature that it also has is it has a 360 rotational view. So we're going to go ahead and check that out as well. And lastly, it's super easy to install. It's a 3M tape that you stick onto your dash and it plugs right into your cigarette lighter. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing so that we can check this one out. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, here's the user manual. So I'm just gonna keep that on the side for now. Here is the actual display monitor. So it's got some buttons on the side. It looks like the play button, a manual mode or a menu mode, and then another button right here for the playback. The website's right here. The memory card is up here. 16 gigs. I'm gonna leave this up front for a second while we unbox the rest of the unit. Here's going to be the mount. Let's go and take a look at this. This is going to be the back camera, so this is also very small and sleek. You guys can see that this holds onto basically the headrest bar. It clamps on. Boom, you clip it tight. This is the pigtail that runs to the main line that you can run to the side of your vehicle panel, which I'm going to do later on. Here's going to be some additional rubber grommets. This will help if you have different vehicles and they have a different cylinder for the headrest. You can actually add these grommets to give it some additional inserts there so that it'll fit properly. Here's going to be the cigarette adapter, very common. Looks very similar to what I have. So you push it to get it started. So that's all the parts that's here needed. For the time being, I'm just going to go ahead and clip this on. Let's just go ahead and get it installed so that we can see some of the quality differences. I'm going to go ahead and take out this. Okay. And although it is bigger as far as the view, it is almost about the same size in height. So it doesn't obstruct the view of the vehicle while you're driving, because I definitely don't want it to take any more of my view. Let's go ahead and all right. Okay, so I'm gonna run the fishtail right here. Okay, there you go. Just gonna leave that there for the time being. This is going to be the power going to the cigarette lighter, and then the camera that I'm going to run to the back. It's going to be right here. Again, I'm just going to temporarily wire this up. I'm not going to really clean it up until I get the comparison video and get the Skynerk out of there. So that's how I have it hooked up. Basically, camera connecting to this harness, connecting to the back camera, connecting to the cigarette plug, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get this attached to the back. All right, so that's the Skynerk currently. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install this one right here next to it. All right, there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. And as you guys can see, it's much smaller and much more stealth than this piece right here. So let's go ahead and plug in the front. All right, let's go ahead and plug in the cigarette lighter adapter right here. Turn it on, I'm gonna plug it in. All right, I just went ahead and turned it on. Let's go ahead and peel off this safety. Oh wow, guys can already tell. I just gotta fix the angle of the camera, but guys, and you don't gotta be, let's just fix that angle a bit. There you go. You don't really have to be too specific or to arrange it too much to see that there's a huge difference between both of these qualities. So let's get a better angle look at this. So I just got to change the rotation of that, but that is the same aquarium that my kid loves. And as you guys can see right there, that is also how it looks. So, I mean, it's a huge difference in quality. You can definitely tell this is a 1080p. What I'm going to do is let's go ahead and run this for a little bit. I'm going to wait till it gets dark. I'm also going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks with the night vision mode on. So that's also very important with the baby on there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, guys. All right, let's go ahead and do some quick adjustments. So this is a zoom. You can 3x, 1x, 2x. I'm just going to leave it at 1x for now. Go back to the menu. Let's check out brightness. Okay, I'm going to leave it at high. I like the way that looks. So I just need to rotate it actually. So I'm going to go to the back and do a quick rotation. That's how clear it looks. Imagine that's the baby. Let's just put that here for reference. can see right there. My windows are limo tinted all around, so it is quite dark. Now that it's on here, let's go ahead and take a look at the mirror. So let's see if you, okay, that's mirrored. So I want to keep it this direction. Yeah, so guys, look at the night and day difference again with the quality here. It is always recording since it has the memory card on. If I want to zoom in, again, I can just zoom in real quick. Yeah. There you go. So far looks pretty good. It is not a touch screen, but guys, it is pretty good, pretty bright so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and again, wait till nighttime. Let's go ahead and check out the night vision mode on that. All right, guys, it is nighttime, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks. I actually have a much clearer look than you guys, but basically the Skynerk is all washed out. There's absolutely no color here. It kind of looks like an X-ray, so I'm gonna try to focus in on it. Yeah, there you go. So it kind of looks like an X-ray. Just can't. There's the warning signs on the car seat are not legible, but now on this unit here, there's actually color, even though it is completely dark on my vehicle. There is a bit of color here. It's more clarity. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's a warning label right there. And the fox, of course, that I put there is orange. I'm gonna go to the back to show you guys that it is completely dark right here. So it does a pretty good job at picking up some color, and I can actually see the baby at night. So that's how it looks, guys. I have a link below. I definitely love it a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for me to get the, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this and then run the wires properly. But that's how it looks so far. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll catch you guys on that next one.